Hi guys, and welcome back to Simply Forex, the channel dedicated to you, the trader. We want you to be successful in the markets. So guys, I'm going to give you some gold every day. I'm going to let you know which currency pairs I'm looking to trade and which direction. And I'm also going to let you know which news that you must be aware of. If you like these vids, then please subscribe to the channel and like and share. So let's take a look at the chart and what I'm potentially going to trade today.
Good morning traders, how are you? I've just had my breakfast of porridge and bananas and honey. I have this every morning. Anyway, too much information. Today is Friday the 18th of February, and first of all we are going to look at yesterday's trades. So Thursday's trades, we're going to take a quick look at those. So if you remember, we had this. First of all, we had two trades. The first one was this is the pound against the New Zealand dollar, and if you remember guys, we were shorting this because of this bearish candle, and we thought we could take it back down to this blue line. So as you can see, we almost hit target, but let's look at H1 to see what really happened. So yeah, we had our grey zone and price retraced up into it here, as you can see. Yeah, but this green candle doesn't tell me sellers are in control. It's not until I see the next candle that sellers are in control. Okay, so I entered on this candle. Okay, put my stop above here. Okay, and yeah, took profits at this low. Okay, so roughly a risk to reward of 1:1. I think it was a little bit more than that. Okay, so yeah, good trade. And then I left 20% of the trade to run. So as you can see, yeah, I didn't quite get taken out. Price retraced again here. I'm still in this trade for 20%. But to be quite honest with you guys, I've just took profit again. Yeah, so I closed the last 20% back at these lows. Okay, because if we go back to the day chart, yeah, you've had this, yeah, this bullish candlestick reaction. So rather than try and fight price down to this blue line, it may well get to that blue line, guys, but because of this large green candle, yeah, on the H1, I've just closed the remainder of my 20% at this low. Okay, yeah, no need to fight price here, guys. All right, so yeah, so a good profitable trade on the pound New Zealand. So I hope you took this trade, guys, as well. The second trade from yesterday was this is the US dollar against the Swiss franc. And again, remember we had all this chop here, choppy, and then we had this candle break out of that chop. So we thought we could take price back down to this blue line, and again, yeah, we almost got to this blue line. Okay, but let's have a look at H1 to see exactly what happened. Yeah, so again, guys, yeah, this is the one I was looking at here. So price reacted, yeah, in this zone, yeah, as we can see, but this candle here doesn't tell me sellers are in control. Neither does this candle, but this candle, yeah, told me that sellers were in control. So I entered on this candle. Okay, so I entered here, yeah, and put my stop above here. Okay, obviously, guys, I'm not going to take this trade back down to these lows. It just doesn't give me any risk to reward. So my aim was for price to come down to this blue line here, our daily target. Okay, and as you can see, it didn't quite do that. Okay, so what I did, price came down. I saw this candle here, yeah, and it had a large wick push up from this zone. Okay, so then you have to start asking yourself questions, guys. All right, do I want to try and fight that lower? And the answer is no. And I eventually ended up closing, because it was getting late, I was about to go to bed. Yeah, I closed most of my trade around 95. Okay, so price just messed around for hours. It popped down a little bit, and I just got out of this trade for the whole amount. Yeah, I didn't leave 20% on the trade to take to here. Okay, so yeah, but again, guys, another successful trade. So I hope you took this trade idea as well. Yeah, both two good trades yesterday, guys, both profitable. So yeah, I hope you followed them. Right, let's take a look at today's trades now for Friday. Okay, guys, so the trades for today, Friday the 18th of Feb, are these. We've got three of them, three potential trades. The first one is this. This is the US dollar against the Japanese yen. Okay, so yeah, we're looking to short this market. As you can see, these lows here were broken. Yeah, this candle stayed broke. So the structure has changed. We've now got lower lows. And we've got this large bearish candle, guys. So I think we can take price back down to this blue line. Okay, so we're looking to short this market. Let's look at H1 for execution. Okay, so quite a large grey zone, guys, and let me tell you why. Because we've got this potential area as a support and resistance, we've got this potential area as support and resistance, and then we've got this final area here as resistance. Okay, so there was three significant levels there that we could trade from, hence my grey zone is quite big. But nonetheless, that's the grey zone we're looking at. And what we want to see, guys, is price to retrace into this grey zone. Then we want to see a bearish candlestick pattern. And then first of all, we can take price back down to these lows here. This is always our first target, the last H1 high or low, depending if we're buying or selling. Yeah, close 80% and then leave the rest of the trade on to go down to our daily target, the remaining 20%. Okay, the next trade is this. This is the US dollar against the Swiss franc. We've been trading this since yesterday, guys. All right, so obviously very correlated to the US dollar yen. And for the last 2 days, we've had these bearish candles form. And I think we can take price a little bit further down to our blue line. Okay, this was our target from yesterday as well. Okay, so we're looking to short this market. If we look at H1, I adjusted my grey zone slightly, guys, because obviously the market has changed, yeah? So what I want to see is price retrace up into this grey zone, yeah? I want to see a bearish candlestick pattern, and then we can first of all take price back down to these lows, again, close 80% of the trade, and then leave the remainder down to this blue line here. All right, so yeah, US dollar, Swiss franc, we're looking to short this as well. Our final trade today, guys, is this. This is the New Zealand dollar against the Swiss franc. And as you can see, yeah, from this area of, yeah, this area here of resistance, we now have this candle that rejected that area, okay? Rejected that area, and this tells me that it might want to come down back to this blue line. Okay, that is also confirmed by the weekly chart as well. Okay, so price has already sprang back up, as you can see. So what we're looking for, guys, is price is retraced, and now we want to see price react. We want to see a bearish candlestick pattern. If price doesn't react, guys, and it comes up here and breaks our grey zone, yeah, no trade, we're not interested. But if price does react in the form of a bearish candlestick pattern, then good, we can take the trade. First of all, we can take it back down to this low here, close 80% of the trade and leave the last 20% remaining down to this blue line. All right, guys, so yeah, New Zealand dollar against the Swiss franc short. Okay, so they're the free trade ideas for today, guys. If you've enjoyed the trade ideas, then please smash that like button. Okay, let's have a look at the news. Before I start the news, guys, if you are enjoying this morning market analysis and would like to receive it every single day, Monday to Friday, then please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification button. Then you won't miss a single one, guys. Okay, so the news for today, Friday. First of all, we've got retail sales coming out of the UK at 7 o'clock GMT. This is our 3-star rating that we're interested in. If we scroll down, at 10 o'clock, we've got the masterminds of the EU meeting. Okay, so we have a leaders summit at 3 o'clock. This is a 3-star rating, so this could move any euro pair. At 1:30, as you can see here, coming out of Canada, we have core retail sales. So again, this could move any Canadian dollar pair. If we scroll down, 3 o'clock, coming out of the US, we've got existing home sales, so another 3-star rating. This could move any US dollar pair. And then we've also got a Fed monetary policy report. This will probably come out after Wallace speaks. Okay, so it's a 3-star rating. This can really move any US dollar pair. And then after that, guys, as you can see, no other real significant news to speak of. All right, guys, if you've enjoyed the vid, smash the like button. That would be much appreciated. I hope you have a wonderful trading day and a lovely weekend. And I'll catch up with you on Monday. See you later, guys.